I would say that we're disappointed that the Unite for Change initiative, which we launched, I believe it was in 2013, and which had good traction right across Jamaica in many communities and made a difference. And this was precisely the sort of effort for national mobilization that Dr. Phillips spoke to earlier, which is absolutely needed. A broad partnership, not just within the different arms of government, but with the churches, with the private sector, with civil society groups. As best we can tell, that has been abandoned. It's given lip service, but the project manager was dismissed. The staff are no longer there in any numbers, and we don't see any evidence of it, either in terms of peace marches or other community mobilization efforts, or in terms of public information broadcasts, etc. So we are, in a sense, not surprised with all these deficiencies from the policy perspective to see that crime is increasing, and we cannot stand by like spectators as a responsible opposition and not demand that the government respond to this paralyzing crime wave, because many communities are literally paralyzed by fear. Communities in the corporate area, communities in Clarendon, communities in St. James, by what we are experiencing, particularly over the last 2 months.